20 resources that'll make you better at machine learning. In detail. Machine learning is a rapidly growing field with numerous applications across industries. If you're interested in improving your skills in this area, there are a variety of resources available that can help you. Here are 20 resources that can make you better at machine learning. Number 1. Coursera. Coursera offers a variety of online courses in machine learning, taught by experts in the field. These courses cover a range of topics, from basic concepts to advanced techniques. Number 2. Kaggle. Kaggle is a community of data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts that offers competitions, datasets, and tutorials to help you improve your skills. Number 3. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning platform developed by Google. It offers a variety of tools and resources to help you build and train machine learning models. Number 4. PyTorch. PyTorch is another popular open-source machine learning platform that offers tools and resources for building and training models. Number 5. Fast.ai. Fast.ai is a course and library for machine learning that emphasizes practical applications and real-world examples. Number 6. Machine Learning Mastery. Machine Learning Mastery is a website that offers tutorials, articles, and courses on machine learning topics. Number 7. Google AI. Google AI offers a variety of resources for machine learning, including courses, research papers, and tools. Number 8. Udemy. Udemy offers a variety of online courses in machine learning, taught by experts in the field. Number 9. DataCamp. DataCamp offers courses in machine learning, data science, and other related topics. Their courses are designed to be hands-on and interactive. Number 9. edX. edX is an online learning platform that offers courses in a variety of topics, including machine learning. Number 10. The 100-Page Machine Learning Book. The 100-Page Machine Learning Book is a book that offers a concise introduction to machine learning concepts and techniques. Number 11. Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning. Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning is a book by Christopher Bishop that covers a range of machine learning topics, including neural networks and Bayesian methods. Number 12. Introduction to Machine Learning with Python. Introduction to Machine Learning with Python is a book by Andreas Muller and Sarah Guido that provides an introduction to machine learning using the Python programming language. Number 13. Neural Networks and Deep Learning. Neural Networks and Deep Learning is a free online book by Michael Nielsen that provides an introduction to neural networks and deep learning. Number 14. Deep Learning with Python. Deep Learning with Python is a book by François Challet that provides an introduction to deep learning using the Python programming language. Number 15. TensorFlow Tutorial. The TensorFlow Tutorial is a series of online tutorials that provide an introduction to TensorFlow, including how to build and train machine learning models. Number 16. PyTorch Tutorial. The PyTorch Tutorial is a series of online tutorials that provide an introduction to PyTorch, including how to build and train machine learning models. Number 17. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a Python library that provides tools and resources for machine learning, including algorithms for classification, regression, and clustering. Number 18. Keras. Keras is a high-level neural networks API written in Python that allows you to build and train machine learning models. Number 19. OpenAI. OpenAI is a research organization that focuses on artificial intelligence and machine learning. They offer a variety of research papers and tools to help you improve your skills in these areas. Number 20. In conclusion, these resources can help you improve your skills in machine learning, whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner. By taking advantage of these resources, you can stay up to date on the latest techniques and trends in this rapidly evolving field.